Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So the Aussie dollar over the weekend gapped up, or on Monday gapped up beyond these structure levels that I've been talking about. Definitely should prove that it's a possible three-way pattern. I mean, it does look like a three-way pattern. Definitely respected the 78%, and now we got a nice break of structure to the upside. If it is a three-way pattern, then it will likely go all the way back up to these highs because that's normally what happens at the end of an ABC pullback. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be bullish now, but I would also be bullish with caution because it definitely gapped up with it broke up with a big gap, so it may end up going back down and retesting that gap. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. We are sitting at the 61% right now. If you do get a break of structure to the downside on maybe like the 15-minute time frame, then maybe you could stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again, trading it back down to this gap. And if it actually just becomes extremely impulsive, then we'll know that this is not a ABC, or we'll know that it is an ABC, not a wave one, wave two, and wave three. If it's a wave one, wave two, wave three, and this is really going up like I showed on the daily time frame, then it will not break structure to the downside at a fib level, but instead it will keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.